Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the Dell Alienware Aw3225qf, one of the top gaming monitors of 2025. If you've just unboxed this beast or you're looking to optimize your setup, you're in the right place. We'll cover the best settings to get the most out of its stunning 4K resolution, 240Hz refresh rate, and advanced features like Dolby Vision HDR. Let's jump right in. First off, start with the basics. Set your resolution to 3840 by 2160 for that crisp 4K experience. This monitor shines in high detail scenarios, whether you're gaming or editing videos. Next, tweak the refresh rate to 240 Hz if your system can handle it. This reduces motion blur and makes fast-paced games feel buttery smooth. Don't forget to enable FreeSync Premium Pro in the settings menu to sync your GPU and eliminate screen tearing. Now, for picture quality, adjust brightness to around 200 to 250 nits for everyday use to avoid eye strain, but crank it up to 400 to 500 nits for HDR content. Contrast should be set to 80 to 90% for deeper blacks without losing detail in shadows. Head to the color settings and select the sRGB mode for accurate colors in productivity tasks, or DCI-P3 for vibrant gaming and movies. If you're a competitive gamer, turn on the low input lag mode. It's a game changer for quick reactions. One pro tip: experiment with the custom profiles. Save your settings for different activities, like one for gaming and another for work. Remember, these are starting points. Calibrate based on your room's lighting and personal preferences. There you have it, folks. With these tweaks, your Alienware Aw3225qf will perform at its peak. If you found this helpful, hit that like button. Subscribe for more tech tips, and drop your questions in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.